Payment giant Ant CEO Jing. Tokenization is key to financial transformation. AliPay, Hong Kong. Tokenization. Ant Group CEO Jing Xiandong says tokenization has the potential to power real-time cross-border payments on a global scale. Last updated. October 29, 2024, at 16:16 GMT+2. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 29, 2024, at 16:16 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ant Group CEO Jing Xiandong said that tokenization has the potential to power real-time cross-border payments. Tokenization and AI were the two main themes of the Hong Kong FinTech Week. Speaking to the attendees on Monday, in a panel discussion with Howard Lee, Deputy Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, Jing noted that this technology could be transformative for the financial sector. Notably, tokenized deposits have the ability to improve efficiency. They remove middlemen, operate 24/7, and are programmable for automated execution, he said. Jing stated, according to the South China Morning Post, that, with tokenized deposits, that's a really huge value for cross-border payments. If we can really solve cross-bank, cross-currency issues, then we are really moving to real-time settlement on a global scale. Tokenization may be one of the key pieces for cross-border transactions. This is increasingly important for Ant Group, the operator of mobile payment giant AliPay, the report noted. Also contributing to the discussion, Hong Kong Monetary Authority Chief Executive Eddie Wyman argued that tokenization has the potential to create hyperconnectivity between users, data and services that are essential to driving economic progress. On the other hand, Yu argued, crypto assets are more speculative and require guardrails to protect investors. You might also like. Traditional finance eyes tokenization, but BIS warns of risks. Report. The narrowing Web3 TradFi gap. Interestingly, the Hong Kong government continues to promote the Web3 sector and its growth, even if the tech industry has lately turned to AI. Two of the aspects the Chinese government particularly supports, per the report, are tokenization and stablecoins. New stablecoin regulations from the HKMA are anticipated by the end of this year. Gary Tiu, Executive Director of OSL, a Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, licensed and insured digital asset platform, argued that the changing Web3 landscape in Hong Kong is a result of maturation. We narrowed the gap between Web3 and traditional finance by a huge margin, Tiu said. He also suggested that, unlike earlier tokenization efforts, current tokenization and related innovations could have a transformative effect on the finance industry. Tiu argued that real estate by its very nature is highly illiquid. Putting it onto a blockchain isn't going to make it more liquid. But money market funds actually are highly liquid. So by putting something which is already highly liquid into an environment where you can optimize around the operational cycle, then there might be some benefits. Meanwhile, OSL revealed 2 tokenized funds during FinTech Week. One in collaboration with China AMC and the other with Franklin Templeton. You might also like. Tether proposes digital tokenization of Turkey's boron reserves. Users and inbound payments surge. Jing stressed that cross-border payments are a major focus for AliPay. The company integrated with 14 mobile wallet platforms from 9 countries. Additionally, it works to ease the use of mobile payments for foreign visitors, which is one of the government's main goals in its tourism-boosting efforts. We're always thinking about what we can do to work with other partners, making sure other cross-border travelers' lives can be much easier, making their cross-border experience a local one, Jing said. He added that AliPay HK currently has 4.2 million users and covers 90% of merchants. Notably, it covers more than half of Hong Kong's population, up by nearly 1 million users from 2 years ago, the SCMP reported. Meanwhile, Tencent Holdings' WeChat Pay, AliPay's rival, has also recorded a fourfold increase in inbound payments over the past year, said Forrest Lin, head of Tencent Financial Technology. This comes as more visitors arrive in China after the pandemic. You might also like. AliPay collaborates with Avalanche for Web3 voucher program. Follow us on Google News.